The beauty of my country, Zambia, is that you got to experience different species of life. You got to experience the nature. You got to experience everything that you need to know about Zambia. So in this video, guys, I'm going to showcase where people they cross the river to bring out their goods for sale and go back. So this is the journey that we are going to take today, but do me this favor, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Oh guys, this is one of the special video for me. Like it, please. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel once again. Today's video is one of the scary video, and this video is a video, guys, where I don't really like water. So we are going to cross a certain river here, let me say Kafubu river somewhere. So but my fear is water, so I'm heading to the river where I'm going to cross. I just want to show you, to say that people from this area, they get vegetables, they get all sort of things from this area, meaning where I am right now. But for them to bring their goods to sell here, like vegetables, cabbages, rape, Chinese, and some other fruits, they need to come from this area where I'm going to here. So there is a certain river which they cross, and this is what I'm going to showcase in my video. Guys, this kind of videos are those videos whereby they get you out of your comfort zone. So I'm getting out of my comfort zone, and I need to be practicing this kind of thing, because each and every time we'll be doing this, we'll be going somewhere where maybe there are no good roads, maybe there are scary things, and then if I continue being scared as a traveler, then I'm not a traveler. So I just need to be strong. So this is the journey, guys, that I do fear to face, or I don't know what to say, but anyway, we are going to experience it. So guys, you can see this is a watery land. Take a look at this. This is a watery land. Mana pitoko So guys, as you can see, this year Zambia has received a lot of rainfall, so you can see how things are right now. Wow. You can see the houses here. So guys, when you take a look at this area, starting from here where I'm standing right now, we need to use a boat from here up to where the guy in the red shirt there. So now I'm not going to use this way, I'm going to go back and then use the other way. This is what, and people they are building here. So from we are going this side, we are going in flowing water, right? Wow, I'm not going to pass. Yeah, Jesus Christ. See this guy. Where am I going to pass now? I need to get a boat, and the same boat is the same boat which is going to take me where I need to go. All this area, guys, is, you can see, this is the wetland, the land of water. All these houses, they are in water. You can see. So guys, you can see where we are passing. I'm going to get a boat this side. So guys, you can see we need to take off our shoes and see how my trousers has become so dirty. So for us to cross, or for us to go where the boats are near, we need to cross, or we need to take off the shoes and then go the other side. So this is what I'm trying to do here. Please do me a favor, like this video, comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think, guys. This is so important to me and to these kinds of content that I'm doing right here. Please, 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 guys, like this content and let me see your view in the comment section. This is the boat that we are going to use, guys. This is the boat. You can see what an experience here. This is the boat that we are going to use today, not any other day, but today. Wow, you can see people, they're getting in. First time.
First time. Chawa pani first time mwenye mechi. Chawa mina sana. First time.
And they kara kuino kro. They were driving. So we got home. We got home. Abo jawo. Abo nani. Time mpa kuyanti. Oya oya kuimwe.
Kula pira.
Kumulenda. Makastoma ni mwe wale pira. Ngawa datawe nini. So chabu. So
ya popa ni. Ipa kuida. menshi yafura kalifini yawe yarabirebe Presta chashu popo bechikwata
Chali finate. So shingo formulate pita.
Teni obadi pitisha. Kuyavi. Teni pa kuyavi. Teni.
Teni wana kurisa ni mkada. Ina sana. Nishi na wera ini. For you to go to the other side, you need to pay a 10 kwacha. So that's the amount of money that we are going to pay here. So guys, we started moving slow but sure. You can see the guy is even doing the thing here. I don't know if it's I don't know how do you call it, like he's making the boat move. So we are going achieve power tools. Now guys, we are having some complications here. We are having some complications with this boat. I don't know what is happening, and we are here to find out, all of us who are in this boat. Quite all right, we are moving, we are going forward, but there is some people, they are saying something behind us. The owner of the boat said no to go with us where we are going. See, you see the complications, guys. The owner said no. He's saying that he needs to speak with us. He needs to speak with us. Wow. Are we going where we are going? So na moko mule mwikaro kwini. Namba kumule tumule mule kufamu. Kongo.
Wera.
Alimbikoleli asho. So kulimbili asho ya bungo. Wani mbona komanda wa wapo?
Na mambo kusanga.
At this point, guys, we were stopped to move. We were told to wait until for further notice. And we don't know what is happening, but the woman who was here, if you've observed in this spot, she's cold. I don't know the discussion which they're having. And we are upon to see and we are upon to hear the message from her. So we are just waiting for the boatman to pass the information. You can see people, they are passing and we are about to go where they are coming from, but because of what is happening here, we are being stopped. So we are waiting for these people to let us know. Beautiful people, I need your help. Please, we need to buy a new camera so that we can improve our content. And I'm kindly kindly asking for your donations. You see, there's a number on the screen there. There's a number on the description box. Please help me raise that amount so that we improve our content. Thank you so much for everyone who is going to donate, and thank you for you who is watching this, because I've passed this message to you. Okay, this is where we need to go, but we are still waiting for these people to finalize everything, and we don't know why we are stopped here. Hey guys, I just want to let you know that our journey has failed. Our journey has really failed. You know, there's something that really happened just there. Like I told you to say, I'm scared of getting into those boats and whatsoever. But there's just something that really happened that drove me off from the journey, and I had to move out. The guys from that side, these guys who've come there or who are there, I'm telling you guys, they are not good people. That's what I can say. And my experience, the things that I wanted to show you, that like we cross the river, we go to the other side, so that I show you how people move and how people there are doing businesses, has come to fail because of them. Anyway, we are going to do it next time. For now, just that we cannot, and I'm really disappointed. I'm sorry that I promised you to cross the river and go the other side, but I didn't. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out.